Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. Another issue with this Volkswagen Polo 1.4 FSI that I've experienced somewhere last year. After shutting the car down, the radiator fans would keep run for about 5 minutes. So both of them, this car has two radiator fans, a smaller one and a bigger one, and as I said, after shutting the car down, the fans would keep running. What I did was I went to a mechanic, and what he did was to replace the radiator fans relay, which was busted, and that was causing the fans to not shut down after you shut down the car. Also, even if outside it was cold, the radiators would keep running when the car was turned on. So this is a pretty serious issue because it will drain your car battery pretty fast. What will happen if you don't take immediate action and you don't repair this thing? It will drain the car battery. If you go somewhere, you might find out that you're not even able to start the car. So if you experience this thing, I would go immediately in the next days to a mechanic so you can replace the radiator relay. In my case, the whole thing with the mechanic costed about $70, including the relay, and since then I haven't had any issues related to the fans. They only start spinning when it's very hot outside and the car has run for quite a while, which is normal because the engine is reaching a higher temperature, and in that case the radiators will detect that high temperature and they will start spinning. But if it's cold and you just start the car, they should not spin at all. Alright, so this was the video. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.